Hello guys, welcome back to Moody Hari, and in today's video I'll be discussing what happened to Breaky, why I was not making videos for the past 5 months, and about publishers also. So few months back I was making a game which is hyper casual, Breaky, and when I finished the game I searched some publishers, hyper casual publishers of course, and I make a list and I send my game to approx 15 publishers, from which I get 4 to 5 responses, and then I started working for uh, publishing phase, and that's why I was not making video because I was quite focused on getting this game published by the publishers because it was a big deal for me. And in this period of time I just realized that getting a deal with publisher is very hard. I mean, it's like uh, it's too much hard for, and you need to be lucky enough to get to be published. In this phase I realized many things like working with few publishers and getting to the end is very important. For those of you who don't know what is a publisher is a organization which boosts your games, it markets your game, and they take a huge percent in the equity of your game, like in revenues. So suppose you make a game and they like it and they promote your game, and your game makes around $1 million suppose in a year, so they can charge half of that or sometimes more than that, like 70/30, but they can make your games in the top chart. So having a publisher is a great deal because now you have a broad audience who plays your game rather than few. If you promote your game by yourself, you will hardly get 1 lakh or 2 lakh downloads. If you are also making hyper casual game and you want the list of the top publishers, I have written a post on my website. The links are in the description. Go there and you can see the list of top publishers to whom you can pitch your game. So coming back to the point, if you're working with a publisher, you need to be patient because they take lots of time in testing your game, giving you the feedback, and then we need to retune our game and then send the update to them. So basically the workflow of a publisher is, if they like your game, they will ask you to make some press kit for your game, and then they will promote your game for 1 week in United States, and you need to cross some certain threshold in downloads and also the retention of day 1 and day 7, and if you fulfill that, then they will think to publish your game. So when I submitted my press kit and the campaign started for 1 week, I was very much excited. I used to go and check out my downloads and all for the entire week, but sadly didn't cross the threshold, and one of the publisher dropped the project. I was totally heartbroken because I had worked very hard for this game, uh, but then I started working with some other publishers who had shown interest in the game, and then the same process started once again in a loop. I made some new press kit because every publisher needs a different kind of press kit because they promote your game in different platforms. Like most of them promote in Instagram, some of them use Facebook and other campaigns. But in this time I was not making games, I was just promoting my one game which I had made. So I was very much upset that what am I doing now, and my community is also waiting for my next video. I was not getting any time to make videos because my college exams were also there. So I was quite frustrated, and my Discord members were also leaving my group. I was not happy how things were going, so I decided to create a website for game developers. It's moodyhurry.com, and in this website I started working on adding free game assets, adding game scripts that can be used easily inside your game. You can just go to my website and copy those scripts directly and use them. So it's free to use, and that's how I helped my community. As of now, I'm currently working on a new hyper casual game, which is IO based game. So if you don't know what is a IO game, it's a enemy AI game in which you feel like you're playing a multiplayer game. I'll soon be posting the devlogs of this game in the next week, I guess. But from now on, I promise you that I'll be more consistent to this channel, and I'll weekly post one tutorial video, one devlog video, and on Sundays I'll try to make a live video for you guys in which I'll play a game and I'll try to answer your questions. So for my current target is to make hyper casual games and to build my YouTube community. Thanks for supporting me, guys, it means a lot. I would like to thank my Discord members who are still there in my Discord. You guys are awesome. So guys, if you like the video, don't forget to hit the subscribe button, like the video, and I'll see you in the next one.